Hello, hello, hello. I know it has been an exceedingly long time since I have posted. It's because life has been crazy and I actually got coronavirus, so that's been fun. But enough about me. Today I'm going to be taking you through kind of a chill tutorial on how to get this cool toned 90s inspired fall look. I feel like the cool toned eyeshadow trend is really popular right now. We've seen a lot of taupe palettes come out, and I think that's been a lot of fun, especially because I already had a cool tone palette in my collection. It is the Milani Soft and Sultry palette, but this is one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas that has ever existed. Everything else I kind of show you as I apply them, so there isn't going to be a whole lot of talking in today's video. I hope that you enjoy this format. If you do, let me know by giving me a like, because that helps me know what you guys are into. Also, if you enjoy me, then subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So this is the completed look, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be having a giveaway. So those of you who have stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much. I'm just going to be giving away the products that I tried to give away a few weeks ago. It didn't exactly work out. So I'm going to be giving away the eyeshadow palette that I used. This is the Soft and Sultry palette. I'm also going to be giving away a Colourpop Supershock Shadow in the shade Frog, which is my personal favorite shade. It's very sparkly and beautiful. I am also going to be giving away a L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Ink Lip Stain, I think is what they're called. This is in the shade I Choose, which is a rosy mauve, again very on trend, and this is a matte formula, so it's not going to transfer too much on the inside of a mask. If you'd like to enter that giveaway, just be subscribed to my channel and leave any comment down below. And if you win in a week's time, then I will reply to your comment and tell you that you've won. Thank you again so much for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, or click on one of the videos that should be on your screen. I'll see you again soon. Okay, bye!